Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see FitGirl installation. The error server name could not be resolved. Let's fix it guys. I tried to install the game but it getting download failed in FitGirl repack game. Let's fix it guys. Just need to click on OK and just to close stuff here, go to search menu and type Windows security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. Now minimize this page and close using task manager guys. Just right click and select end task and now the setup has been closed. Just double click on the setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background, and if you have under 8 GB RAM then check mark this option and select next option and select next. Select the location where you want to save this game and select next. Uncheck these option guys, update DirectX and download and install C++, and then select the install option and select yes option. And now as you can see the game started installing. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add and exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the game folder guys. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. After selecting it, select folder option and now the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection and select yes. And now just to close stuff here. Uncheck this option guys, open this site, redirect to this site and then select the finish option, and you just need to wait for this verification to complete. As you can see all files are okay, and just to close stuff here and the game will launch. And now you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.